How to fix Bendigo Bank app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Bendigo app not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's continue. First steps first, check for your Wi-Fi connection. So this is one of the most basic troubleshoot, that check for your Wi-Fi connection and make sure that you're connected to the internet. You can also switch to your mobile data as well and check if it works. If it still does not work, you might have to move on. So what you'll need to do is go to your settings and you will need to search for Bendigo. What we're doing here is we are actually removing the cache of the app. So to get to this page right here, what you'll first need to do is, let me go back. So this is the settings. Go to general, then go to iPhone storage, then search for Bendigo. So it should be somewhere around here. You can search for that, or you can simply type it in here and then offload the app. Offload the app and then reinstall it after the offload completes, and that should clear out the cache for the app. And doing that should fix the issue as well. Try to open it up and use it. If that does not work, what you might have to do is, if there is an update available on the app, you can simply search for it on the App Store, search for Bendigo. After you search for Bendigo Bank, check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, update the app and that should fix the issue. If not, what you might have to do is simply uninstall the app entirely, tap on delete app, and then reinstall it back again from the App Store. And doing that, your problem should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye and take care.